Is this thing recording? All right, let's do this.
Okay, here we go. All you got to do is thumbs up or thumbs down, okay? You tell me if it's true. Thumbs up. If it's not, thumbs down. Okay. Prisms are three-dimensional shapes. Right now. Put thumb up or thumb down. Like now. Yes. Ding! Yes, they're three-dimensional shapes. They're just, a prism is a shape that was kind of dragged through space, like a box. A box is a rectangular prism. Next. Volume measures the surface of a two-dimensional shape. Volume measures the surface of a two-dimensional shape. No, it doesn't. Volume measures three-dimensional, like the space in the side of it, not the surface. I'm like, no. Okay, here's the second round. We're getting harder. The amount of space enclosed by a three-dimensional shape can be measured in cubic units. I'll say it again. The amount of space enclosed by a three-dimensional shape can be measured in cubic units. Bing, 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 bing. Yes, it can. That's what we're doing. All these things is such and such cubic units. All right? If two containers have the same volume, they must have the same length, width, and height. If two containers have the same volume, they must have the same length, width, and height. No. You can have the same volume because it's length times width times height, but if you get the same total, they don't have to be the exact same things. Like if the total was 12, it could have been 6, 2, and 1. 6 times 2 times 1. Or 3 times 4 times 1. Different things, same volume. All right, we're moving on. Now for the really hard ones. The volume of a prism is the number of unit cubes that fit in its base. The volume of a prism is the number of unit cubes that fit in its base. No, not a fit in the base. The base is just the bottom layer. You need the height too. So, no. That was tricky though. All right, last one. A rectangular prism. It's a box. Sorry. A rectangular prism completely packed with 24 unit cubes has a volume of 24 cubic units. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yeah, no, you can't argue that one. Yes, it does. Okay, we're moving on now. All right, so there was this game we would have played if we were in school. We're not. It's called Prism Pileup. It's not a hard game. What you do in the game is whoever gets a card that has the shape on it with the bigger volume wins that round. That's all you have to know. Okay? So sometimes when they ask you about a Prism Pileup, it just means bigger volume, better. This is America, people. Bigger is better. Okay? All right. Don't get me started. Okay. Don't just know. All right. We're going to do pages 34 and 35. 34, by the way, has nothing to do with anything I've been talking to you about. But that's okay. It's okay. It's all right. 35 does. Well, sort of. Maybe not really, but it's still, the math boxes. I love them. All right. However, the home link, which you are going to do, is it's going to say playing Prism Pileup, and you're going to go, we didn't play. You can still do the home link. All you have to do is find the volumes of the shapes that are on the home link. Okay? Remember, bigger is better. Is America. All right? Big cars. Big air quality issues. Okay? Big fires. That's what we like here. All right. Go do it. And, yeah, that's all I have to say to you.